Hello everyone, I'm Viraj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we guys are going to see a while loop. We already know that why we use a loop. Loops are used for iterating the same thing or doing the same task multiple times. Imagine we wanted to print a hello world 10,000 times. We can write a print statement 10,000 times, but that is a really bad way. Efficient way will be either we can use a for loop or while loop. So today we will see something about a while loop. The syntax is really easy. We have to use a while keyword and the condition. The problem or disadvantage of using a while loop that by any chance if the condition is not a false, then it will work infinite time. So you can see the program I equal to 1. While I is less than 6, we are writing some condition. If you are writing a true over there, which is a by default true, so it will go in an infinite state. So it is unstoppable. So guys, this condition is really important. So now we can see that condition is what? True. I is less than 6, which is a true. Print I, which is going to print a 1 and incrementation. Similarly, I is now 2, then print, then incrementation. Now I is 3, 4, 5. Now I is becoming 6. 6 less than 6. The condition is false. It will exit from a while loop. Okay. So guys, let's see the practical implementation of it. So let me write a while loop program and let's see how exactly it goes in a infinite and how we can tackle that. While loop. While, or before that I need to define I equal to 1, while I is less than 6, print I equal to I plus 1. We can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm doing a I and run this, I will get a I's value as a 6. And that's why 6 is less than 6 was false. Similarly, if I'm doing something like while true, print hello world. If I'm running it, it will print infinite time. We can see that it is growing. This particular is growing. Now what I will do, I will just stop this. So forcefully I am stopping this, We can see that how many times it is printed. And lastly, we can see that keyboard interrupt. If I wanted to just add a counter and just wanted to see that how many times it printed, so we can do that. So I can just simply write I equal to again a 1, while true, print hello world hyphen I, and what we can do, I equal to I plus 1 incrementation to just see that how many times it works. If I'm just running this and I'm just waiting for a few more seconds, and now let's stop this. So we just waited for a 2 to 3 seconds. If you just scroll it down, we can see that these many times 22,66,470. So these many times it executed. Imagine yourself if you are performing a critical task and this kind of incident happen. So that task will go in an infinite state. So that's why we need to use a condition over here. Condition. There are 3 important things like in a while loop, that is a break, continue, and exit, that we will see in a next video.